So how do you throw a space party? You plan it. You plan it.
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, the Turk Hassan back here again. On today's episode, we are reviewing the New Balance 2002R Truffle. So I kind of sound like a broken record at this point, talking about the 2002R silhouette. But at the moment, in my opinion, this is the best bang for your buck sneaker that New Balance offer. Just because of how comfy it is, the versatility to the sneaker as well, but the price in itself, it's an absolute bargain. Depending on the colorway and of course the retailer, but they normally retail for around 100 to 120 pounds. There's not many sneakers out there for that price that offer you what this model does. But of course, this video is all about the Truffle colorway, and no better place to start than the box. Now, of course, it's just a formality, but there's nothing special here. It is your grey regular New Balance box that most GRs come in, but I guess the most important part is the product sticker. Now the product sticker does actually read M2002R CD, and in terms of sizing, I did pick these up in my regular 9 UK. Short and sweet when it comes to the box, but we've got bigger fish to fry. Let's touch on the sizing. Now, like every 2002R model that I've tried on, and I've tried on quite a few, they are true to size. I'll go for my standard UK 9 in this sneaker, and I have no trouble. A great all-round comfy feeling. There's enough room, but at the same time, it is snug. And that's how I like it. I like a little bit of room, but not too much. Now this colorway in itself could easily pass off as a collab sneaker, but we'll touch on reasons why. Now it's time to take an up close and personal look. Now retailing at 120 quid here in the UK, you are defo getting your money's worth. Reason being for me is how premium the materials actually are. The suede on this silhouette is one you'd expect from a top tier New Balance sneaker, like the 990 series, which retail for around £200. So for the price of this silhouette, it's pretty mad to see. But the colorway in itself is sort of a mixture between a purple and a brown. In most lights, it does look more of a dark chocolate purple, but in some other lights, it does look more brown. Someone actually commented that it looks like the Amamanier Jordan 4s that are soon to be released. And broski, shout out to you, because once I've seen that, I cannot unsee it. But I'm definitely not mad at this colorway, it's just online it looked more brown than it does. And I'm happy because in hand it looks so much better. But other than the suede panels on this shoe, of course we've got that mesh toe box. And then we've got some amazing 3M reflective hints, which I didn't expect this sneaker to have so many. But like I've spoken about time and time again, I love a bit of 3M on a sneaker. But in terms of the lacing itself, I had to swap these out because I do think it looks so much better with cream laces. I don't know about you broskies, what do you think? Comment down below, does it look better with my cream laces that I took from the 550 ALDs, or is it better with the stock laces? Now moving on to the tongue in itself, we do have that mesh paneling mostly, and then on top we do have the New Balance running logo, and surrounding that we do have that suede panel. The sock liner is of that soft cotton, which is so nice on foot. Now we've got the New Balance branding in purple just on top of that black insole, and at the back of the heel counter again we've got that 3M hint with the New Balance panel just underneath that, and then just to the side of it we do have that 2002R branding. But the midsole here is one of the best things about the shoe, and of course it's the colorway and also the comfort. We do have that absorb technology to the midsole, and then we have that energy mixed in too, which is meant to help with shock absorbing when you go running in these. But for me personally, I would always use these for lifestyle. But in terms of color, we do have that mixture of that cream towards the back and then white. And the outsole here is pretty standard. It does come in mostly black with hints of cream and white again. Right broskies, what are we thinking so far? How's this 2002R Truffle looking? And let's decide together whether this is a buy or a buy. Now this colorway is for my personal collection, I just couldn't say no. It's very unique in its design and the materials used are just top tier. And especially for the price point. The lace swap though for me is one that stole the show. Honestly, it makes the sneaker pop that much more. I'm not mad at the laces that it came with, but the ones that I swapped it out for just give it that extra sauce. Like I've mentioned time and time again, the 2002R model is slowly becoming my favourite sneaker by New Balance. For the price and of course what they're offering for it, it's just a no-brainer. And this truffle colorway is creme de la creme if you ask me. It's actually a madness to think this is not even a collab sneaker, but the way it looks, it could easily pass it off as. Now as always, I'm going to leave some purchase links down below as well, just in case you're thinking of getting a pair. But overall broskies, I cannot sing the praise of this sneaker and this colorway enough. Of course, I am going to give the New Balance 2002R in this truffle colorway an absolute buy. But broskies, let me know down below what you think about this truffle 2002R. Is it one you might be thinking of getting, or is it one you've already got? Leave it all down below and I will pin the best comments. Anyways broskies, thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by, and as always, don't forget to hit me up on the IG as well. And you know what, I don't do this often, but what I want you to do is send me what you've picked up recently and I'm going to share it on my story. But whilst you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and till the next episode, take care.